Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something awesome in react.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn something cool, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js. And guys, today in this video we are going to learn that what is React Context API and how to use React Context API in React to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and scalable React application. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn one of the most important feature, one of the most important concept of React, which is React Context API, and we are also going to learn that how to use, how to consume React Context API to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and scalable React application in this video, in this tutorial with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create using the technique of, using the concept of React Context API in this video, in this tutorial. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using React and using the concept of React Context API. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, React Context API explained in deep. Yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn, we are going to discuss in depth, in details about the React Context API, and we will be creating in this tutorial, in this session also, one of the most important and dynamic React application using the concept of, using the technique of React Context API in this video with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, here we can see here 8 user profile card. Okay guys, here we can see here 8 user profile card, and on each and every user profile cards I have shown here the user profile pic, username, role, email, phone, experience, and one button which is see user details. Okay, so guys, you can see here on each and every user profile card I have shown here the user profile pic, username, user role, email address of the user, phone number of the user, experience of the user, and a button called see user details. Okay, so guys, the moment you will click on this button on any of the user profile card button, okay, see user details, you are going to see each and everything about this particular user on which you will click in a nice and dynamic and design modal as well. Okay, so guys, now I am going to see the all the details about this particular user, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let's just hit this button, let's just click this button, see user details. Okay, so click it now. So see, boom guys, you can see here this is now currently active, this is now currently selected, because you can see here background color of this user profile card is now changed. Okay, so guys, this is the name of the user, ER Prabhat Pandit. This is the user profile, username, role is developer, having the experience of 5 years. This is the email address, and this is the description about the user, full stack web developer, passionate about building user friendly applications. And we can just close this, we can dismiss this modal, this pop-up, using this close icon, or using these two buttons, cancel and OK. So click OK. You can see here this user profile card is now currently active, is now currently selected, because you can see here background color of this profile card is now changed. Okay, so now I am going to see the profile details of this user, Amit Kumar. Okay, so just click the button, see user details. So click it now. See, boom guys, this is the nice and dynamic and design modal. Okay, So I have shown here the name of the user. This is the user profile name, and he is a UI UX designer having the experience of 3 years, and this is the email address. Okay, and this is the description about the user: creative designer with an eye for modern interfaces and user experience. Click cancel. Okay, so this is now currently active, this is now currently selected, this Amit Kumar user profile card. Okay, I'm going to see the user details of this particular user, which is Priya Kumari Sharma. So click the button see user details. See, boom guys, this is the name of the user, Priya Kumari Sharma, and this is the user profile pic. Okay, so name is Priya Kumari Sharma. So she is a front-end developer having the experience of 4 years. So this is the email address. Okay, expert in react.js and Vue.js, building interactive web apps. Okay, so click OK. So this is now currently active, this user profile card, Priya Kumari Sharma. So I'm going to see the user profile details of this user, Pankaj Kumar Sharma. So click the button see user details. So now this is active, this is the name of the user, Pankaj Sharma, user profile pic, and he is a backend developer having experience of 6 years. Okay, this is the email address, specialized in Node.js and Express with robust API, REST API development skills. Click OK. So this is now currently active, this is now currently selected, this user profile card, Pankaj Sharma. So go down, and now I'm going to see the user details, all the details about this particular user, which is Neha Verma. So click the button see user details. So click it now. So see, this is the name of the user, Neha Verma. This is the user profile pic, Neha Verma. Okay, and she is a project manager having experience of 7 years. Email address is this, skilled in agile methodologies, managing development teams and timelines. So click OK. So this is now active. I want to see the user details of this Rohit Mehta user profile. So click the button see user details. So now this is the username Rohit Mehta, this is the user profile, and he is a DevOps engineer having experience of 5 years. This is the email address, and experience in CI/CD pipelines, cloud infrastructure and automation. Click close this. Okay, Neha Tiwari, see the user details. Okay, so name is Neha Tiwari, this is the user profile, and she is a quality analyst having experience of 4 years. Email address is this, detail oriented tester ensuring high quality product and user satisfaction. Click OK. So this is now currently active, this user profile, Neha Tiwari, because you can see here the background color of this profile pic, I mean the profile card is now changed. Okay, so this shows that this is currently active, this is currently selected. Okay, so I want to see the user details of this Bikram Joshi. So click the button see user details. So this is the name Bikram Joshi, this is the user profile name Bikram Joshi, and he is a mobile app developer having experience of 3.5 years, and email address is this, Flutter and React Native expert with a focus on performance and usability. Click cancel. Okay, so guys, this is all about this 8 user profile cards. Okay, and I have built using the technique of only React Context API. Okay, only React Context API. Okay, so guys, let me just tell you one thing guys. This video is very beginners friendly guys. This video is very suitable to the React beginners. Okay guys, if you are learning react.js in 2025, then guys this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video if you want to learn, if you want to know what is React Context API and how to use, how to consume React Context API in our React application to create robust, dynamic, cool and scalable React application. Then guys, you must know and you must watch this video also on React Context API, in which I have explained each and everything in depth, in details. Okay, so this video is very beginners friendly if you are learning react.js in 2025. Okay, so you must watch this entire video. So sit back, be calm, be relaxed and watch the entire video, please guys. Okay, don't try to skip the video, don't try to fast forward the video. If you will miss anything guys from this video, from this tutorial, you are going to miss each and everything guys, and at the end you will just scratch your head and you will say to yourself that I didn't get anything, I didn't learn anything new from this video, from this tutorial, and you will just condemn yourself that why the fuck I have skipped the video. I have just forwarded the video. Okay, so guys, don't do that. Just sit back and watch the entire video, because I have explained here one of the most important things, one of the most important concept of React, but which is React Context API in depth, in details. Okay, so this is perfectly React beginners friendly video as well. Okay, and if you are new to react.js there, guys, and if you are new to react.js, then you must watch this entire video if you want to know, if you want to learn what is React Context API and how to use, how to consume React Context API to create robust, dynamic, cool and scalable React application. Okay, so just watch the entire video with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, just come down. So this is all about React user profile card. Okay, and come down. So guys, this is the simple counter component. Okay, so guys, this is the simple counter component app. Okay, so here I have just created here four instances of the same counter component. Okay, so guys, this is the just okay four instances of same counter component. Okay, and here we have got here two buttons also, increment and decrement. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to increase the counter. So guys, we can increase the counter using this button also, using this button also, using this button also, and using this button also. So guys, we can increase the counter using any increment button, and guys, we can decrement the counter also using any decrement button. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Guys, we can increment the counter using any increment button, and guys, we can decrement the counter also using any decrement button. Okay, using any four of these increment and decrement buttons. Okay, we can increase the counter and we can decrease the counter as well. Okay, so I'm going to increase the counter using this first button. So click it now. So see, the counter is now being the counter is now being increased. Okay, so it is going to increase every time by 1. Okay, it is going to increase the counter every time by 1. Okay, so increment this button using this button also, using this button also we can increment the counter, using this button also we can increment the counter, and now decrement the counter using this button. So it is also going to decrease the counter by 1 every time. So using this button also we can decrement, using this button also we can decrement, and using this button also we can decrement the same counter. Okay, using any decrement button we can decrement the counter, using any button increment button we can increase the counter, and we can't go further. Okay, so guys, once we will reach 0, we can't go further, like -1, -2, -3, like that we can't go. Okay, so we can increase the counter and we can't go further. Okay, more than 0, like -1, -2, -3, like that. Okay, so just increment the counter. So guys, this is the beauty. Okay, this is the okay guys, beauty of the React Context API provider file. Okay guys, we can use okay a React Context provider file in any simple component, in any nested component. Okay, so guys, okay React Context API is going to solve the problem of props drilling. Guys, listen to me very carefully. React Context API is going to solve the problem of props drilling. Okay, and I hope you know what is props drilling. And guys, if you don't know what is props drilling and how we can okay solve the problem of props drilling using the concept of React Context API, then guys, I would like to request you, I would like to recommend you also that please guys watch my previous videos also on what is Context API. You can see here this is the Context API 2 and this is the Context API 1. Please guys, okay, watch these two videos first. Okay, if you don't know what is React Context API, in this video I have explained what is React Context API in depth, in details. Okay, so you must watch these two videos also, React Context API in deep 2, React Context API in deep first. Okay, if you want to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming future, guys, you must know what is React Context API and how to use it and how to consume it in our React application to create robust, dynamic, cool and scalable React application. Okay, using the React Context API. Okay, it is going to solve the problem of props drilling. Okay, so guys, come down. So I have explained you what is this. Okay, counter components, we can increment the counter using any button, using any increment button. Okay, and we can decrement the counter using any decrement button. Okay, so this is the beauty of react context API, and we can't go further. Okay, then 0. Okay, so we can't go -1 -2. No, we can't go like that. Okay, only 0, and we can increase the counter. Okay, and we can decrease the counter using any button. Okay, and guys, this is the separate footer component. Okay, so guys, this is the separate footer component, and I have shown here the uh, like year, and this is the some simple text, and I've shown here also 80 users. Okay, this 80 users. Okay, and I have from this button also, guys. Okay, from the footer component also, guys, listen to me very carefully. From the footer component also, we can increment the counter. Okay, you can see here the counter is being increased every time by 1 whenever I'm clicking on this button, increment counter. Okay, so see, it is going to increase the counter. Okay, okay, so guys, this is the session, this is the tutorial about context API. We are going to learn in depth, in details, about the react context API in depth, in details, with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, I hope you are now thrilled, you are now excited to learn, to know what is react context API in this tutorial with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay guys, trust me guys. Okay, just watch the entire video, and guys, you are going to know, you are going to learn what is the react context API in depth, in details, from this single video, from this single session of mine. Okay, so just sit back, be calm, and be relaxed, and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently. Okay, so guys, okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, guys, please, please subscribe now my this channel Code with and please guys, press the bell icon also, so that whenever I'll upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified, and guys, you can watch them instantly, and definitely guys, you're going to grow also in your professional IT career. Okay, so guys, you have to do 4 things for me here. Okay, so guys, first of all, you have to subscribe now my this channel Code with and second, you have to press the bell icon also, and so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, and you can watch them instantly, and definitely guys, you're going to grow also in your professional IT career. And third, guys, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group also. Okay, and guys, fourth, you have to like this video also, which is going to give me the confidence, which is going to give me the motivation to create awesome videos for you like this on each channel topic of web development and full stack development also. So guys, do here 4 things for me: subscribe the channel Code with press the bell icon, okay, like the video also, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group also. Okay, so guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust, okay, on you, that you will subscribe now my this channel Code with and you will press the bell icon also, you will share this video also with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group also, and you will like this video also, which is going to give me the confidence, which is going to give me the motivation, okay, to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. So guys, I'm going to trust you, I'm going to believe on you, that you will subscribe now my this channel Code with okay. So please guys, please subscribe now this channel Code with and please press the bell icon also, and do like this video as well. Okay, please guys, please. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn this, okay, react context API in depth, in details, in this tutorial with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use here VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, I'm going to use here VS Code editor, okay, to write my code. Okay, so guys, now first of all, I'm going to create here a new file, the context provider file. Okay, so guys, first of all, we are going to create here the context provider file. Okay, I'm going to do that now. I'll just say here user context provider, okay, file, so file.jsx, and I'm going to save inside this folder, context folder. Okay, so guys, this out, and let's just save one more time inside the context, okay, folder, user context provider file. Let's just say here 1, okay, underscore 1, save the file. Okay, so now let me just import here React first. So I'm going to import here React, okay, So so import react, and it just import here the create context function also, and I'll just use here the user state, okay, hook also, user state hook also. So guys, this okay guys, this create context is not a hook. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. This create context is not a hook, it is a function. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. This create context is not a hook, it is a function. Okay, and we will use this create context to create the context provider file. Okay guys, we will use this create context to create the context provider file. Okay, so let me just say here, I'll just say here export. Okay, export. Okay, const, I'll just say here user provider. Okay, user provider, like this. Okay, and we can say here not user provider, we can say here user context will be cool. Okay, so now use this, okay, create context to create the provider file. Let me just write here comment also. So it is going to create here, create a shared space. Okay, it is going to create a shared space. Okay, so like this, and now I'm going to create here one custom component also. I'll just say here user provider, like this, and now I'll pass here the special prop also, which is children prop, like this. So let's just close this. First of all, say here return, and just close this. So first of all, I'll say here export default, and we will just say here user provider, this is the component name, and just paste it here. Okay, I'm sorry. So now guys, this is the syntax. Okay guys, just try to remember this syntax. So copy this, okay, user context, this user context guys. Okay, copy this, and now we will just say here dot provider. Okay, like this. So we will just close this also. So copy this and just paste it here, and now open this, and we will just pass here the special prop also, which is children prop. Okay, which is this children prop. So copy this, and now just paste it here, like this. Okay, so guys, let me just write here what is the feature of this dot provider. So guys, it is going to, okay, say here it is going to give the access, okay, access to components. Okay, access to components. Okay, simple or nested component. Okay guys, it can be simple or nested component as well. Okay, so guys, okay, this dot provider guys, this dot provider is going to access, okay, to the components. Okay, this file. Okay guys, this dot provider is going to give the access to this file, to any simple component or the nested component. Okay guys, this is it. Okay guys, this is it. Okay, so let's just first of all, I'm going to create here the counter, like app or the component. Okay, the counter component. So I'll just use here the state variable also, counter. Okay, counter, like this. I'll just say here set counter. Okay, like this, and use state. So use a state, I will just provide here the default value as a 0. So we will just say here value. Okay, we will just use here the double curly braces and copy this counter state variable, and just say here. So guys, this is the syntax. Okay guys, try to remember this syntax. This is the guys syntax. Okay, and we will be guys seeing, okay, this syntax everywhere whenever we will use the create context or the context API provider file. We will use this syntax. Okay, so just remember this. This is very important syntax, and we have to pass the any value, any function, any method using this value. Okay, like object. Okay, like this. Okay, so guys, in this way, we have just created, guys, listen to me very carefully. In this way, we have just created the context provider file. Okay guys, I'm going to repeat this one more time for you guys. In this way, we have just created this context provider file, which is user context provider file underscore 1. Okay, so guys, it is going to provide the context provider okay, to any simple or nested component anywhere throughout our React application, anywhere throughout our React application. Okay, so this is the beauty, this is the feature of creating the context provider file. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here the brand new app.jsx main component file. So let's just copy this, and I'm going to rename this file first. I'm going to rename this file first underscore 10. So rename this. This is it. Okay, so guys, let's just close this, and I'm going to create here the brand new app.jsx file, which is the main component. Okay, which is the main component. So let's just paste it here, and I'll just remove this. So let's just first of all, let's just save this inside the src folder. So app.jsx should be inside the src folder only. So guys, listen to me very carefully. App.jsx, which is the main component, should be inside the src components or the folder only. Okay, app.jsx. Okay, so I'll just say here app.jsx, hit save. Okay, this is it. So let's just remove this first, everything. We will create here the brand new, okay, app.jsx file. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now, let me just create here the div. I want to show you something, if this file is working or not. Okay, so we will just test something first. I'll just say here hello developer. Okay, hello developers. So just save the file, and let's just save this file also. Okay, and let's just save this file also one more time, and go to the browser. So guys, you can see here it is working now. Our app.jsx file is working fine. You can see here the text also, hello developers. So okay, there is no any issue. Go to the developer tools, go to the console also. There is no any issue, there is no any problem. Okay, so this is it. Cut it out. So now guys, let's just remove this, and let's just remove this div also. We don't need this div. Okay, we have to use here. Okay, we have to use here this user provider. Okay, I'm sorry, inside our app.jsx. So I'm going to import it now. So I'll just say here import. Okay, I'll just say here import, and I'll just say here user, okay, provider. Okay, so guys, this is the file. Okay, inside the folder context, inside the folder context, we have the file user context provider file underscore one, which is this file. Okay, which is this file. Okay, so now let's just copy this user provider, and we have to wrap it, our entire app, using this user provider. We have to wrap it. Okay, we have to wrap it the entire app like this. Okay, so guys, now as of now guys, just say here h1. I'll just say here h1, and I'll just say here hello react developers. Save the file, and have a look in the browser first. So it is working cool now. There is no any issue, there is no any problem. Okay, so guys, now let's just remove this. Okay, and let's just use this. Okay, this so let's just so guys, I want to show you something here. I want to show you something here also. So let's just use here the use context, okay, hook also. Let's just use this use context hook also. So guys, this use context hook, guys, listen to me very carefully. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Guys, this use context hook, guys, this use context hook is going to let you use this, okay, provider file. Okay guys, through this use context hook only, we will be able to use this context provider file. Okay, we will be able to use this context provider file. So let's just now, okay, so now what we will say here, we will just say here import, and now okay, this user context, okay, this user context, okay, this user context, we will say here user context, okay, user context from this file. Okay, from this file. Okay, so now inside the component body only, inside the component body only, guys, inside the component body only, we will just say here you can see here, let's just say here const, and let's just give equal to, we will use this, okay, use context, we will use this use context, and now just to close this, and this user context provided here, and now you can see here it is sharing the this counter variable, this counter state variable. So we will be able to use it now, this counter. So copy it from here only, this counter from here, and just, what is the issue? I don't think there is an issue. Okay, so let's just paste it here. Okay, this counter, and now we will be able to use it now, this counter state variable. So let's just paste it here. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So go to the developer tools first. Okay, we got here one issue. Okay, so counter use context is a undefined, so let's just save it here. And okay, or let it be, guys. We can just so use context from react. Okay, so user context, or let's just guys do here one thing. Let's just create here a brand new component. I'll just say here counter app. Okay, counter app underscore 2 dot jsx. So save the file, and inside the component folder only components. Okay, so let's just again save it one more time inside the component folder only. So counter app underscore 2 dot jsx, save the file, and let's just I'll just create here. So let's just import here. Okay, so import and react, and I'm going to import here the hook also, use context hook also, this use context hook. Okay, and now let's just import here this. Okay, this user context from this file. Okay, so user context like this. Okay, user context, and now let's just create here one custom component also, which is counter app. I'll create here one component also, counter app. Okay, I'll give here 2 equal to, I'll use here anonymous factor function like this. So close this. I'll just say here return. We all know we have to return each and everything from every single component in react. Okay, so this is what I'm doing here also, and I'll just say here export default, and I'll just say here counter app 2. So just close this now, and now okay, inside the guys, inside the component body only, inside the component body only guys, we will use this. Okay, so let's just now create a const like this, and equal to, I'll just here use context, this hook use context, and just close this. So copy this user context like this, and just paste it here, and you can see here it is okay sharing us the counter component or the state variable. So copy it from here, and now inside the component body only guys, inside the component body only, we will just now say here using the h1. I will show here h1 only. So close this, and now copy this, and now just paste it here. Okay, so guys, now we have to export this file also, this counter app 2 inside our app.jsx also. So let's just comment this out first, and let's just remove this. Okay, let's just remove this. So now I'll just say here import. Okay, counter, so counter app 2. Okay, from this component and from this counter app 2. So copy this now component, and let's just remove this, and now just paste it here. As of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see, here is the 0. Okay, there is no any issue, there is no any problem. Okay, so guys, here is the 0 now. Okay, so now see our our context provider file is now doing great, it is doing now fine. Okay, there is no any issue, there is no any problem at all. So close this. Okay, so let's just come here. So instead of 0, let's just make it 10. Okay, save the file and have a look in the browser now. So see, here is the 10 also default value. Okay, so guys, first of all we will create the counter application. Okay, we will create a simple and dynamic counter application. First of all, I'm going to do that now. So guys, come to the app dot, okay, counter app 2 underscore 2. So we will create here. Okay, so now let's just so okay, so let it be. So I'll just say here counter. Okay, so here is the counter 10, and let's just provide here the default value 0. So save the file, have a look in the browser. So counter 0, come to the counter app component. Okay, we will create here 2 button also. to increase the counter and to decrease the counter. We will create here two buttons also. So I'll just give here the class name also. I'll say here btn. I'll say here info. Okay, and let's just say here increment. Okay, increment, this is it. So I'll just say here save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so guys, just watch the video, entire video very carefully and very patiently. Guys, I promise you guys, I give you my like I promise you guys, I guarantee you guys, you are going to learn a lot of things in react.js. Okay, the concept of react context API. Okay, so guys, instead of okay, so guys, now instead of like using like this, okay, so guys, now instead of doing like this, guys, instead of doing like this, I'm going to create here another file. I'll just say here content, okay, underscore one dot jsx file. So copy this file, okay, and inside the component only, content underscore one dot jsx file I'm going to create here. So create it now. So instead of here guys, instead of using inside the app.jsx, okay guys, instead of using the app.jsx, let's just use it inside the separate folder. So cut it out from here and just okay, so now just to paste it here. Okay, so this is it. And now okay, instead of now, we will just import this counter. Okay, file now. So I'll just say here import, okay, counter, not counter, I'll say here content. Okay, so content, so it is content one. So I'll just say here content underscore one. Okay, so this, okay, let's just first of all create here this component first. So let it be here only. So I'll just say here const, I'll just say here content. Okay, so first let's just create here content one equal to, and guys, I'm doing this, okay guys, I'm doing this to okay to remove each and everything from this, okay, main component, which is app.js. Okay, so I want to make it clean and clear app.js file. So I'm going to do this now. I'm going to create here another separate file, another separate component, content1.jsx, and I will import each and everything inside this content1.jsx file only. So in this way, we will keep this app.js file very clean and clear. Okay, so just to keep this file app.jsx very clean and clear, I'm going to create here another separate component, content1.jsx component, and I'll import each and everything inside this component only, content1 underscore one dot jsx component. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let's just so I'm very sorry guys. Okay, I'm like okay, I'm constantly speaking, so I'm very sorry for my okay interruption. Okay, so I'm just let's just have me some okay breathe. Okay, so we will say here export default, and this content, this content one. Okay, so let's just close this, and now it is inside the same folder, which is component. Okay, you can see here this folder is also okay, this counter app is also inside the component folder. Okay, this counter app component is also inside the component folder. So we will just technically we will just remove this, okay, like this. Okay, like this. So now copy this counter 2, and here we will just so paste it here, and now this is it. Okay, so we have exported it also. So let's just now come here and just remove this and import okay content, okay content one, like this. Okay, from here, from content one, so copy this, and now okay, so this will in this way we will keep our okay app.js file very clean and clear. Okay, very clean and clear. So save the file one more time, entire file. Okay, so this file also. So now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So we got the issue here, but no worries, I'll resolve the issue in no time. Okay, so go to the console. We don't have any issue at all. Okay, so we don't have any issue at all. So let's just check what is the issue here inside the counter app export default. So come here and so content one. Okay. I'm exporting here the different file, or so components. Okay, content one.jsx. What is the issue here? So guys, we can see here there is no issue at all. Okay, there is no issue at all, guys. Okay, so let me just, guys, give me okay a few seconds only. Or I'm doing here, guys, I'm doing here wrong. Okay, I'm doing here, guys, wrong. Okay, I'm just doing here over wrong. Okay, so in guys, okay, like I was in hurry, so you can see here, let's just control Z. You can see here I'm just importing like this. Okay, so we have to, this is the guys, this is the technically this is the component. Okay, so let's just cut it out and we will say here, I'm very sorry, we have to return this. Okay, we have to return like this also. I'm very sorry, guys. Okay, so let's just create here div and let's just close this div now. I'm very sorry this, guys. Okay, I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so let's just paste it now. Okay, so guys, now our problem is resolved, our issue is now resolved. Save the file and have a look in the browser. So see, here is the counter. Okay, so guys, I'm very sorry for this, I was in hurry. Okay, so I forget to use this return statement inside this component. Okay, content one. Okay, so that's the issue. Now the issue is resolved, now the problem is now resolved. Okay, so guys, now come to this counter app component. Okay, I will just copy this button and now just paste it here. I'll just say here decrement here, we will decrement. Okay, decrement like this. So I'll just say here decrement, I'll just say here button, I'll say here danger. Okay, danger. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now here is the button. Okay, and let me just provide here mx3. This is it. Okay, so guys, now come here and copy this counter 2 and just paste it couple of times. Okay, paste it like couple of times. So this is it. Let's just provide here the br line break. Okay, so copy this and I'm very sorry, guys, I forgot to provide here the return statement. Okay, I'm very sorry for this, I hope you will forgive me now. So just save the file and have a look in the browser. So here is the counter app, nothing is going to happen. Okay, nothing will happen as of now. We don't have, okay, we have not created here any function or any method. Okay, so guys, now just now what we will do here, we will just provide here this setter function also, set counter. Okay, through this. So now put here comma and just paste it here and now copy this setter count. Okay, set counter state variable or the setter function and come to here app dot, okay, counter app 2. So just now paste it here. So now copy this. So now copy this and now what we will do here, we will just say here, okay, we will just say here on click, on click, on click, we will just define like this and we will just say here counter plus 1. Okay, like counter plus 1 like this. Okay, we will just do this like this. So as of now, guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So now just hit the button increment. So see, now the counter is being increased. Okay, so guys, now the counter is being increased. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, okay, for my mistake. Okay, I'm very sorry, guys, for my mistake. Okay, I was forgetting to use this return statement. I'm very sorry for this, guys. Okay, so guys, now come to the again copy this or let's just create here on click. So on click and now like this. So give little bit of space, this will look cool, this will look professional as well. Okay, so let's just now so copy this method from here to here and we will just say here like this. Okay, so we will first of all, guys, we will check. Okay, first of all we will check here that counter is 0 or 1. Okay, so we will just say here, so we will just say here if okay, so guys, let me just give you a few seconds, guys. So we will say here, if counter is greater than 0, okay, if counter is greater than 0, then we will say here, then we will say here, mm, this counter minus 1, otherwise we will say here, uh, 0. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, so decrement the counter. So see, now it is going to decrease the further 0. Okay, so like it will reach 0, it will stop. Okay, so you can see here, if counter is greater than 0. Okay, so guys, it is saying if counter is greater than 0, then only increment the counter, otherwise set it to 0. Okay, otherwise set it to 0. Okay, so okay, but guys, there is a okay drawback. Okay guys, there is a drawback also. Okay, so guys, there is a drawback also. So guys, okay, to show the drawback, guys, to show the drawback, what I will do here, I'll create here first the footer component. Okay, so guys, there is a drawback here, guys. Okay guys, there is a drawback here, but to show the drawback, I have to create here the the any guys, any different component. Okay, but I'm going to create here the footer component to show the drawback. I'm going to create here the footer component to show the drawbacks. Okay, so I'll just create here another component, which is the footer component. So control N, I'll just say here footer app dot jsx, save the file inside the component folder only. Okay, footer app dot jsx. To show the drawbacks, I will create here this footer. So I'll just say here import, and I'll just say here react. Okay, this is it. So let's just create here the the component, the custom component, the footer component. I'll just say here const, I'll just say here footer app equal to like this, and just close this. So we have to return, I was forgetting to return inside this. Okay, inside this content one. Okay, I'm very sorry for this. So come to the footer app now. So I have to be very mindful while writing. Okay, while writing the code. So I just create here div and just close this div now, and I'll just go here inside this footer. I'll just copy this. Okay, everything. Okay, from here to here, from here to here. In this way we will save a little bit of time also. I will not copy everything, but just this. Okay, footer. Okay, so let's just remove this header. As of now we have not defined it, so it will give us issue. Okay, so now, okay, so let's just remove this on click also. I'll show you each and everything. Okay, so let's just remove this button also, guys. Okay, why not remove the entire button only? Okay, we can create it anytime. Okay, this is only our code, so let's just bring it into the different line, multi-line. Okay, so let's just say here export. Okay, default, export default, and this footer app component name, and just paste it here, close this. So save the file. Okay guys, just save the file and come to the content1.jsx. so we will just import here also this footer. Okay, this footer app component we will import inside the content1.jsx file. So I'll just say here footer app. Okay, this footer app. Okay, so copy this, and now just to paste it here like this, and as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so here is the footer, guys. Okay, here is the footer. Okay, here is the footer. Okay, so let's just come here to this footer. I'll just okay, so I can, guys, okay, I can use this css also, guys. I can use this. Okay, css also. Okay, I'm going to really just to give here. I will just, guys, use this. Okay, user css. Okay, inside our this file. Okay, so I'll just say here import. Okay, import user dot css also. So close this. Let me just recheck it one more time. The file name is it the user dot sys only? So this is it. Okay, inside the component folder only, save the file and have a look in the browser. So here is the footer. Okay, so let's just give here the br also. So just okay, so guys, come to the footer. So let's just give you a p3 padding 3. Okay, so guys, this is it. So I'm going to, guys, now you can see here, guys. Okay, b can, guys, this is the counter app. Okay guys, this is the counter app, and guys, b can only decrement the counter. B can only, okay, decrement or increment the counter from this component only. Okay, from this component only, guys. Okay guys, b can only increment the counter, and we can only decrement the counter from this, okay, from this component only. Okay, from this component only. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to make this counter, guys. I'm going to make this counter okay, like, what can I say, the what can I say, a more dynamic counter. Okay guys, more dynamic counter, so that we can increment or we can decrement the counter from any component. Okay guys, from any component we can increment the counter, we can decrement the counter. I am going to make this counter component a dynamic counter component. Okay, I'm going to do that now. So guys, to do that now, come here inside this. Okay, so guys, now let me just cut it out from this, from here. Let's just cut it out from here and come to this provider file, and we will now define here one method. I'll just say here const like this. I'll just say here increment. Okay, I'll just say here increment, paste it here, and now let's just remove this and just to close this, and now we have to pass this increment also as a value. So give comma, and guys, now this increment will be available throughout any component. Okay guys, this increment function, the method will be available throughout any component. Okay, throughout any component. Okay, any component is going to use this file. Okay guys, any component is going to use this user context provider file, will have the access to this increment method, will have the access to this increment function as well. Okay, so now just come copy this, and now come here this file, and instead of like this, we will just say here increment. So now we have to import it also like this. So paste it here, this increment. So now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So now refresh the page. Okay, and now hit the button increment. Okay, so let's just refresh here, save here also, and save here also, and save here also one more time, and save here also one more time, and okay, so now it is being increased. Okay, now it is being increased. Okay, and it is decreased now. So guys, now we can, guys, now, okay guys, now we can decrement or increment the counter through any custom component. Okay, through any custom component. So I'm going to use this function inside this inside this footer component also. So now we have to use here, to use this, okay, context provider file, we have to use here use context hook also. So this is the use context hook we have to use here, and now we will just say here import, okay, user. Okay guys, okay, this user, okay, this user context, this user context. Okay, so I'll just say here user context, user context. Okay, from this file. Okay, from this file. Okay, so now inside the component body only, inside the component body only, we will say here const like this, and now equal to, we will use here this use context, okay, hook. Okay, this use context hook like this, and user context like this now, and now we will have the access to this increment function also. Okay, I told you already. So just paste it here, and now create a button. So I'm going to create a button now. So button, close this button now, and now I'll give the class also rounded, and now on click I'll define here on click like this, and now copy this increment method name from here and just paste it here. And now I'll just say here increment counter. Okay, save the file and have a look in the browser now. So it's dead, rounded. Save the file, have a look in the browser, and now click the button increment. So see, boom guys, see, boom boom, from this button guys, okay, from this component, footer component also guys, from this footer component also we are now able to increment the counter. Okay, see, it is now being increased. Okay, so see, from this footer component also guys, we are now able to increment the counter. Okay, so this is the beauty of creating the context provider file. Okay guys, this is the beauty of creating the context provider file. Okay, so we have to make each and everything really dynamic and okay, like okay, so now in the same way, guys, in the same way, what we will do here, we will just cut it out from here also. In the same way, we will just cut it out from here also, and now here, come here, and we will just create here one function also. So I'll create here, I'll just say here decrement. Okay, decrement like this, and I'll use here fader function. Okay, so please guys subscribe now my this channel code with ER. I hope you will do now. Okay, so just close this, and we have to pass this decrement function now. So let's just make it like this. Okay, so give comma, paste it here, this decrement, save the file, come to this, okay, counter. So we have to put here comma, and we have to access this now. So copy this decrement, and now just paste it here, save the file, and have a look in the browser now. So now decrement the counter. So see, boom guys, now the counter is also being decreased. Okay, now the counter is also being decreased. Okay, from this component also, and we can increase the counter from this footer component also. See, the counter is being increased, and from here also we can increase the counter, we can decrease the counter. And now come to this footer component also. So now just paste it here also, this decrement, and now we will just copy this button and just paste it here. I'll just say here decrement, okay, the counter. So copy this decrement and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So decrement the counter. So see, boom guys, let's just say here mx3, save the file, and see, we can decrease the counter guys. Okay, from this footer component we can increase the counter, from this footer component as well, and from this counter component itself we can decrease it. Okay, so see, it is now incrementing, it is now decreasing the counter from this counter component as well. Okay, from this any button, any increment button, we can increase the counter. Any okay increment button, we can increase the counter. Okay, and any decrement button, we can decrease the counter. Okay, okay, so increase counter from here also, decrease counter from here also. Okay, so guys, in this way we have just okay make this counter component a dynamic component. So now it will be available, it will be accessible, okay, throughout the any custom component. Okay, any component is using this user context provider file will have the access, okay, will have the access, okay, to these methods, okay, increment and decrement, to increase the counter, to decrease the counter. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, now I'm going to create here the user profile component. Okay guys, now I'm going to create here the user profile component. So to create the user profile component, what we will do here, we will just create here the one user object. Okay, I'm going to create here the user object guys. First of all, I'm going to create here the user object. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. To create the user profile card, I'm going to create here the first of all, I'm going to create here user like what can I say, the array of user like object. Okay, array of user object I'm going to create here first. So let's just now so I'll just say here const, I'll just say here const, and I'll just say here, so I'll just say here users, I'll just say here users, and I'll just say here set users as well, like this, and user state like this and like this. So close this, and now we will create here, first of all I will just create here the first user object like this. So I'll give here id 1, give comma, I'll say here name, I'll just give here name, just say here er Prabhat Pandit, put comma, I'll just say here email. Okay, email, so email like this, I'll just say here Prabhat at the rate Prabhat at the rate yahoo.com, and put comma, and I'll just say here phone. Okay, phone, give colon, I'll just say here plus 91 like this. I'll say here 98765432110, this is it, and now put comma, I can give here the address property as well like this, and I'll say here Bangalore, Nama Bangalore. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, and I just say here role. Okay, so I'll just say here role, I'll just say here developer, the role is developer, put comma, I'll just say here some description like this. So description like this, I can give here anything. He's okay, he's a great and dynamic developer. Okay, like this, and now I'll just give here experience also like this. Okay, so experience like this, I'll give here 5, okay, years, 5 years like this. Okay, so put here comma, put here comma. Okay, so guys now instead of guys doing like this, okay guys, instead of doing like this, what I'll do here, I'll just copy the user object from a file. Okay, so I'll just copy this user object from a file. So let's just cut it out from here, and let's just make it array of object. So let's just make it array of object, and now in this way, this is it, I'm going to copy this, okay, file from this file. So let's just copy this, copy it from here, and just replace with this. Okay, with this. Okay, so guys, here they've got here, this is the array of object, array of user object. Okay guys, this is the array of user object. Okay, with the users, and this is the state variable, and this set users is the state updater function, or the setter function, having the property id, name, email, phone, address, image, role, and description, and experience. I'll just remove this image. Okay, I will not use the default image, I'll just use the dynamic image from the URL. Okay, so remove the image property from here. Okay, so remove this image property from here, remove this image property from here also, and from this data, from this array of object also, from this object as well, from this last object as well. Okay, so save the file. Okay, so guys, now just now we have to pass this users also. So copy this users, and now put comma, and just pass this user now. Okay, so copy this. Okay, so come here inside the any component. Okay, inside guys any component. Okay, I'll just give the demo first, so inside the counter app only, so I'll just give the demo first. So let's just paste it here, this user. Okay, and now this is the array of object, so I'll just show the first length. Okay, I'll just show you the length first. So I'll just say here dot length. Okay, save the file. Okay, save the file, and have a look in the browser. So let's just minimize this, and here we can see here 8. Okay, you can see here 8, you can see here 8. Okay, you can see here 8 because we have here 8 user details. You can see here id is 8. Okay, id 7, id 6, id 5, id 4, id 3, id 2, id 1. So this is the 8 user details. Okay, and you can see here, here's the 8. Okay, so now this, okay, this user, okay, this user, go down, go down, go down. This user is now available throughout any component. Okay, throughout any component. Okay, throughout any component. Okay, throughout any component. Okay, so now come to this, we will just remove this user from here. We don't need a user here. Okay, so we will create here the user profile component. Okay, we will create here the user profile component now. So I'm going to create here the user profile component. So control and I'll just say here users. Okay, users profile dot jsx. save the file inside the component folder only, users profile dot jsx. So hit save, and now I'll just say here import react first, and I'll just use the hook also, use context. Okay, hook to use the context provider. Okay, I've explained you how. Okay, I've already explained you how. So I'll just use this. Okay, now I'll import this, user context. So come here to the user profile guide. Okay, the component, I'll just say here user context from which file, from this file. Okay, from this file. Okay, this is it. And now let's just create here the component. So I'll just say here users apps. Okay, users apps like this. I'll just use here anonymous fader function like this, and we have to, first of all, I'll say here return, otherwise I'll forget it and it will have a lot of issues due to this only. And you will say ki Prabhat, I mean why you are forgetting each and everything today. Okay, so I'll just say here export default, and this user apps, this users apps. So now, just now, inside the guys, now inside the component body only, guys, now inside the component body only, guys, inside the component body only, we have to say here, we have to say here, inside the component body only, we have to say here const, and now equal to this use context. Okay, this use context, and now just this user context. Okay, just this user context, and now copy this. Okay, go down, go down, go down, go down, and copy this users, and come to this users profile.jsx file, and now just paste it here. And now, okay, so guys, now what I will do here, I'll create here div. Okay, I'll create here div. I'm very sorry, I'll give the class name also, create a div. Okay, so guys, now just give me guys a few seconds. Okay, to breathe in. Okay, so guys, now let's just say here container. Okay, container, and I'll just give you another class also. I'll say here mx auto, this is it. And now I'll just create here, let's just guys go through this content.jsx, and let's just copy this first, okay, text from here, and come here this content. Okay, and just paste it here. And now let's just, okay, so heading should be there only, save the file. And here is the react context API explained in deep. Okay, so guys, come to the now this, okay, app user provider component or the file. Okay, so guys, now let's just give here the, I can give here guys inline style as well, we can give here inline style as well. Okay, I'll just say here padding, I can give here the padding, I can give here it's 20 px. Okay, so 20px, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we have to import this, okay, use the profile component also inside this, okay, this content provider file. So now import users, okay, let me just see what is the component name, is users app, okay, users app, users app, okay, from user profile. So guys, now just copy this and it should be on top only. So let's just paste it here. Okay, so save the file and now have a look in the browser. So we can't see anything as of now, we have not defined anything. So let's just put here dot dot dot, okay, so mmm, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the mmm, this is doing great also. So just remove this and now I will just create here another div. So create a div and let's just give here the class name also. I'll give here row and I'll just say here justify, okay, justify content. I'll say here justify content, say here center. So center, open this div now, and now inside this div, what we will do here, we will say here open and closing curly braces and just use this users. This is the array of object I've explained you, and I'll just use here the map method also. So map like this, and I'll just say here user and say here, or instead of user we can say here only you also, there is no issue. I'll pass the index also like this, and now I'll just create here another div inside this. So create a div and just to close this div now. So now I'll give the class name also, and I'll just say here call LG. I'll say here call LG4, and I'll say here call double XL. I'll give here 3, okay, call double XL 3, and I'll just say here call XL. I'll say here 3, and I'll just say here call MD. I'll give here 6, and I'll just say here call, okay, I'll just say here call extra small. I'll just say here 12, okay. So open this div now, and I can give here margin bottom also. I'll give you 4, and I'll say here margin bottom, I'll give you 4. This is it. And first of all, I'll provide here the key prop as well, which is a very important prop, okay. I'll just say here u.id, okay, u.id, guys, this id, okay. Oh, okay, so let's just guys come here, okay, go down, go up, okay guys, this id2, id3, id4, id5, id6, id7, id8, like that, okay. So we will just say here this is the key prop, okay, which is very important prop we have to provide here, guys, okay. Any key, okay, value, because we are looping through the array of object or array, okay. So we have to provide here, okay. So now inside this div, I'll create here another div. So create a div, and now give the class name also. I'll give here the class name, okay. I'll just provide here the dynamic classes, okay. So I'll provide here dynamic classes card, okay, card. I'll just give you a height also 100%, and I'll just say here shadow also. I'll give you a shadow also LG, and I'll give here shadow LG, and I'll say here P, okay. I can give you a 3, okay. This is it. So open this div now, and inside this div, first of all, I'm going to create here the dynamic images from the URL. So I'll just say here img, okay, like this img, and now I'll just say here src, okay, src. Let me guys go to the example to copy the img only. So this profile 5, okay. So copy this, okay, this img, and I'll explain you each and everything, don't worry. Or let's just copy this, guys, okay. Let's just copy this src only. Why copy each and everything? You will say, Pravat, you are not explaining me very well, okay. So guys, this is it. So here is the u.id. So in this way, let me just show you what is the this URL all about. So let's just copy this. Okay, it might take some time, so let me just connect. Okay, it might take some time, guys. Okay, and you have to be very, okay, you have to be, guys, a little bit, okay, calm or cool, what can I say. So connected, let's just show you what is this all about, this URL. Okay, so it is, guys, taking time. You can, guys, go in your system, but guys, this URL is going to let you create different, okay, user profile. Let it be, guys. Okay, it is opening, I guess. Yeah, it is opening. So you can see here, this is the dynamic image. Okay, let it be open. Okay, let it open. Okay, let it open. So come to the so now, guys, okay, this is here. So I will just give here alt as well. So I'll just say here user profile uh, pic. Okay, this is it. So let me just give here the class name as well. I'll just say here rounded, and I'll just say here mb. Okay, 3, and I can give here margin top, I'll give here 0. Okay, this is it. And let me just provide here the inline class as well, inline style sheet as well, like this. Okay, so I'll just say here I'll provide here the width of 100%. So width of 100%, I will provide here the height also I'll provide here of 200 px, of 200 px, and I'll provide here the I can say here object field also I'll provide here. Object field I'll give here curve. Okay, like this. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So guys, here is the user profile pic. Okay, you can see here is the, okay, so guys, this is going to let you create, okay, different user profile pic. I'll give you the link in the description. Okay, I'll give you the link in the description. You can just go there, and you can just look for it, what it is all about, this URL. Okay, it will let you create different user profile pic dynamically using the ID. Okay, using the ID. So this is the ID I'm providing here. Okay, this ID, guys. Okay, 876, okay, 54321. This is the ID I'm providing here. Okay, inside this URL img equal to this ID, it will let you create different user profile pic. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'll show here the other things as well. The other things of the user I'll show here. So now I'll just inside this, okay, div, now I'll create here we can create h3 h4, anything, any element. So h4, and I can give here the class name as well. So I'll say here name, and now I'll say here u dot, okay, to show the username I'll just say here u dot name. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the name. Okay, er Prabhat Pandit, okay, Amit Kumar, Priya Kumari Sharma, Pankaj Sharma, okay, Neha Verma, Rohit Mehta, Sneha Tiwari, Virat Kohli, and okay, guys, instead of container I can give here container fluid also. So this will look cool also, this looks cool also. Okay, let it be a container fluid only. And instead of h4 I can give here h3. So this will look a little bigger also. Save the file. So this looks cool. Okay, let's just remove this class name. So this looks cool. Okay, let's just remove the class name. Okay, so let it be here only. Okay, so now, so guys, now to show the other things also, I'll show the other things as well. So let's just create here a couple of p elements also, couple of para elements I'll create here. Okay, and it just to copy this and paste it a couple of times as well, paste it a couple of times. Okay, and now I'll just say here create here, guys, first of all create here strong element also. This will look cool also. So strong, let's just to copy this. So I have to be a little smarter as well. So guys, work little smarter. Okay, and now, so now we will just say here role. Okay, so user role I'll show here. So now I'll just say here u dot role, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the role, developer, UI UX designer, front-end developer, back-end developer, okay, project manager, DevOps engineer, quality analyst, and mobile app developer. Okay, this looks cool now. So now I'll show the other things as well. So I'll show here email also. So email, I'll show here the phone as well. I'll show here the I can say here the experience as well. Exp I'll say here. Okay, experience. And now let's just copy this. Let's just copy this and just paste it here. We will just change the property. Okay, so instead of role, I'll say here email. Okay, and instead of role here, I'll say here phone, and instead of role here, I'll say here experience. Okay, like this. Set the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the uh, username, role, email, phone number, and experience. Username, okay, role number, email, phone number, experience. Okay, like this for each and every user profile card. Okay, we can see here user profile pic, username, role, email, phone number, experience, user email, phone number, name, role, email, phone, experience, user number, user like I mean the user profile pic. Okay, username, role, email, phone, experience, user profile pic in username, Bikram Joshi, role is mobile app developer, email is this, phone number is this, and experience is 3.5. Okay, like this for you each and every user profile card. So now we will create here one button also. I'm going to create here one button also. So I'll create here one button first. I'll just say here button and create a button now. So now I'll just say here see user. Okay, see user details. Okay, details like this. So let's just give here classes also, btn. I'll say here warning. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the button. Okay, see user details. Okay, nothing is going to happen, nothing is going to happen, nothing will happen, nothing will happen. Okay, so we have to define here, guys. Okay, we have to define here one method also, guys. I'm going to define here one method as well. Okay, guys, listen to me very carefully. I'm going to define here one method as well. Okay, I'm going to define here one method as well. So come to this context provider file, and now come down, and here I'll just create here one function also, const like this. I'll just say here see details. Okay, see details like this, and like this. So now I will provide here the user. I'll provide here user, and I'll provide here the index as well. And now we will say here first of all what I will do here, I will just say here alert. Okay, I'm going to show you the alert first. I'll show you the alert. I'll just say here user dot, I'll just say here user dot name. Okay, user dot name. So guys, just save the file. See details we have to provide here. Now we have to relay it now. Okay, so we have to relay it now, see details. So come here to this user profile component, and now we will just paste it here. So copy this. Okay, see details method name or function name, and here what we will say here on click, we will say here on click, and now what we will do here, we will just say here. Okay, so now just like this, paste it here, and now we will just you can see here it is going to take here two parameter also, this user. Okay, this user and the index. So now we will provide here okay this u. Okay, this u. Okay, this u, and I'll provide this index as well. Okay, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now click the button see user details. So say here is the name Prabhat Pandit, click OK. See user details Amit Kumar, click OK. See user details Priya Kumari Sharma, click OK. See user details Pankaj Sharma, click OK. Okay, click OK. Neha Burma, click OK. Okay, this Rohit Mehta, click OK. Sneha Tiwari, click OK. This Bikram Joshi, click OK. Okay, so this is doing great, guys. This is doing great. And now go to the I hope go to the ant design. Okay, so this is the URL. I'll give you the URL in the description. You can just come here and you can just know what is this URL all about. Okay, so let's just close this, and guys, now I will just okay use the I mean the ant design, like what can I say, the mm modal. Okay, ant design modal. So come here, first of all I'll just say here const, I'll just say here const, I'll just say here current index, and I'll just say here set current index like this. And as of now use state I'll provide here -1. Okay, so we have to relay this also, set current index. Okay, we have to relay this also, so just copy paste it here, put a comma, and we have to relay this also, set, okay, set user, set, okay, current index, like setter function as well. So just paste it here, save the file, and come to this user profile component now. So now we will just import it now. So let's just copy it from here only, current index. Okay, so let's just paste it here, give comma, again come here, and let's just copy this set current index from here, and just paste it here only. So now here what I will do here, I'll just say here dollar, and I'll just say here, I can say here guys, okay, I can say here the guys, what can I say here guys, I can guys say here the current index. Okay, this current index, okay, this current index equal to okay, equal to this index. Okay, this index. Okay, if it is true, guys, okay, if it is true, we will apply here the active class, otherwise we will apply here the blank or empty class. Okay, so now come here to this function. Okay, see details. What we will do here, we will just say here copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, set current index state updater function, copy it from here, and come down and here, and here. Okay, so now we will say here let's just pass this index. Okay, let's just pass this index, save the file, and now come here. So as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so let's just come here, this is the, refresh the page one more time. Okay, and now click the button, see user details. So yeah, Prabhat Pandit, and you can see here this is now active. Okay, this is now active. Click this user profile pic, Amit Kumar, click OK, this is now active. User details, this Priya Kumari Sharma, click OK, this is now active. This user details, Pankaj Sharma, click OK, this is now active. Okay, Bikram Joshi, see user details, click OK, this is now active. Sneha Tiwari, user details, click OK, this is now active. Rohit Mehta, user details, click OK, this is now active. Neha Burma, see user details, click OK, this is now active. So this is doing great now. So I will just now use this, okay, and design component. Let's just remove this. Okay, so guys, in the meantime you can just guys subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Okay, please guys subscribe now, and please press the bell icon also, and please like this video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. So please guys subscribe now, please subscribe now. Okay, so let's just guys, now I will just come here, and I'll just use here the inside this only I'll just use here the, what can I say, the ant design modal component. Okay, so import like this. Okay, import like this modal from a entity, from ant design. Okay, modal from a entity, which means from ant design. Okay, which means from ant design. Okay, so guys, let me just go to the ant design URL first. So ant design URL, let me just show you the go to the components, and go to the modal first. I'll use the ant design modal only. So go here, and go to the, here is the modal component, open this, and guys, here is the modal component. We will use this modal component. Okay, so you can see, open modal. So guys, this is the modal component I'll use here. Okay, so guys, this is the modal component I'll use here. Okay, so just Okay, so guys, this is the modal component I'll use here. Okay, so I'll you can see here I've already imported it, modal component. Okay, so now I'll just create here few the state variable also. I'm going to create here few state variable. Okay, so I'm going to create here few state variable also. So I'll just say here const, and I'll just say here uh, modal. Okay, modal open. I'll just say here set modal open. Okay, set modal open, and now use state. As of now, just give here false. Okay, false, and just const create here another state variable. I'll say here modal. Okay, data, and modal data. I'll say here set modal, set modal data, and as of now use state, and I'll just create here the empty object like this. Okay, so just now set modal open, just now come here, and I'll just comment this out, this alert. It is going to like okay, so provide here true. Okay, provide here true, and come here. Now this component. Okay, so now come here, and I will just use this modal. Okay, so copy this modal from here, and inside this div only, let's just paste it here, and let's just like this, and like this. Okay, so now you can see here, so this is the open modal. Okay, so now what we will do here, we will just pass this. Okay, state variable also, and this setter function also, this is state variable also, and this setter function as well, so that we can use it inside this. Okay, user profile component. Okay, so let's just open modal. Let's just now relay this also, and give comma, and copy this set modal, and we have to relay this also, put comma, and copy this open modal, and we have to provide or relay this also, put comma, and copy this set modal data, and paste it here, save the file, and we will just copy this everything from here, and just come to this component provider, user profile component, and now we will just use this also here. Okay, we will just use this here also, so let's just put here comma, and just paste it here. So okay, so guys, just save the file. First of all, save this main file, otherwise we will have an issue due to this only. And now to open the modal, we will just copy this. Okay, modal open state variable, and just paste it here, and this is the method name. Okay, this is the method name. This is the, you can see here, set modal. Okay, set modal open. So come here, and now what I will do here, so set modal open. Okay, so set modal open, so copy this set modal, and just now paste it here, and as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Come here, refresh the page. Okay, and try to click the button user details. You can see here the modal is now being open. Close this. Okay, so now the modal is now being open. Refresh the page one more time, and let me just show you if there is any issue inside the console, inside the developer tools. Go to the console. See, we don't have any issue, we don't have any problem at all. Okay, and let's just remove this. Okay, let's just remove this, save the file, and now we will have issue. Okay, so we have to provide this open modal state variable here. So now Control Z, save the file. Issue is now gone. Okay, so now we can see here modal is now being open. Click cancel, user details. Okay, so now we have to make it dynamic. Now we have to make this modal dynamic now. So now come here, and you can see here, whenever this button, okay, whenever this button, okay, whenever this see details button is now clicked, okay, we can see here we are setting here inside this, okay, inside this, okay, set modal data we are setting, okay, we are setting here, copy this set modal, and now just now what we will do here, we will just pass this entire user object. Okay, we will pass this entire user object. So now just pass this entire user object, and now come here, and now copy this, okay, modal data, copy this modal data state variable, and now let me just show you, the like what can I do, I can just show here the, say here, so I can show here, okay, so I can show here like this. So I'll just say here this modal data, and I'll use here, guys, okay, like what can I say, optional chaining operator, this question mark dot, and I'll just say here name. Okay, so just save the file and have a look in the browser. So now see user details. So here is the name Amit Kumar, you can see user details. Here is the name ER Pravat Pandit, click OK, and now come here to this, okay, P element. Okay, so guys, let me just copy this, okay, img from here only, and below this inside the modal content only, in the modal content only, what we will do here, guys, don't worry, I will explain you each and everything, guys. Okay, I'll explain you each and everything. So instead of this u, what we will say here, this modal data, okay, this modal data. So just save the file, and now have a look in the browser. First save the file, have a look in the browser, see user details. So see, here is the user profile pic, click OK. Dynamically we can fetch the user profile pic. Now dynamically we are now fetching the user profile pic, okay, the particular user profile pic. Now we are dynamically fetching it. Okay, so click OK. This is doing great. And instead of we will say here, I'll give here the height, I can give here 400. So now, okay, Neha Verma, so click OK. This looks cool. And now instead of this dummy data, I'll make it dynamic. Now I'll make it dynamic. So this user, okay, not user, modal data, this modal data, I'll use here the again turn out like optional chaining operator. Okay, I'll use here, guys, always I'll use here optional chaining operator. So we all know what is optional chaining operator. Okay, and to show the name, I'll say here name. If name is not available, we will say here, no name. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now see user details. So see, here is the name Rohit Mehta. Okay, Rohit Mehta. Instead of this P, I'll show the name inside the h2 element. Okay, inside the h2 element, save the file, have a look in the browser. So see user details. Okay, Sneha Tiwari. Okay, click OK, and now just now so now let's just copy this. It will save a lot of time also. Okay, so just paste it here. We will just change the data, we will just change the information only. So let's just copy this, and now I'll just show here the role. Instead of name, I'll say here role, and I'll just say here no role. Okay, if no role is available, we will show this no role available. Okay, I'll show you each and everything, guys, don't worry, I'll show you each and everything. Okay, I'll show you guys each and everything. And instead of this name, I'll say here the email. Okay, if email is not available, I'll say here no email available. So paste it here, and instead of this name, I'll say here description, and I'll say here no description. Okay, no description, no description. Copy this, and no description, I'll make the D capital. Okay, and instead of now description, so guys, as of now, just come here and just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so now see user details Rohit Mehta. So here is the name, this is the, like, what can I say, the role is the DevOps engineer. This is the email and this is the description. Click OK, and let me just now come here to the provider file, and I'll just remove this email address of this Prabhat Pandit. So remove this email address, there is no email address at all. And remove this email address also of this Amit Kumar, so no email address at all. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now er Prabhat Pandit, you can see here no email available. You can see here no email available. Click OK, and this Amit Kumar also, so see no email available. Click OK. So let's just remove the description as well. Let's just remove the description as well. I'm going to give you the guys confidence, everything is fully dynamic, and because this is the coding guys, so we have to be very mindful, and we have to be very confident as well. So no description and no email address as well. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now see details, there is no description, no description available, no email available. Click OK. This Amit Kumar, no email available and no description available. Click OK. So Priya Kumar Sharma, so see email is available and description is available. So we can see here Pankaj Sharma, you can see email is available and description is available. So we can see here also. Click OK. So see this looks cool and this looks dynamic as well. So Control Z now. Control Z now. I gave you the confidence, I gave you the explanation also of each and everything. Save the file and have a look in the browser. So now er Prabhat Pandit, so this is the name, user profile pic name, developer email is this, description. Click OK. So Amit Kumar, click OK. So Priya Kumar Sharma, so click anywhere on this gray area as well. So anywhere on this gray area as well, it will be hidden, the modal will be hidden, the modal will be closed. So see user details, click cancel. Rohit Mehta, this is the name, profile pic name, DevOps engineer, email address is this, and description is this, experienced in CI/CD pipelines, cloud infrastructure and automation. Click OK. So this Sneha Tiwari, user details, click OK. This Bikram Joshi, click cancel, and here is the counter. We can increment the counter also, and we can decrement the counter as well. And from any button we can increment, from any button we can decrement also. And from this footer as well, from this footer as well we can increase the counter, we can decrease the counter. So this is cool guys. And now let me just create here one more method. Now I'm going to guys create here one more method. I'm going to create here guys one more method. So let me just create here one more method now. So let's just remove this alert now, we don't need any alert. So I want my code to be very cleaned and very so guys, now let me just create here another function to show the number of count of the user profile. I'll just say here header equal to, I will just use here header function. And now guys, I'll just create here const. I'll just say here count. Count equal to, I'll just say here users. Guys, this users, this users state variable, this users state variable, this users state variable, this is the array of object, so come down, I'll just say here dot length, close this. And now we will just say here const. I'll create here another const. I'll just say here count text equal to, if this count, if this count is equal to 1, if this count is equal to 1, we will say here user, otherwise we will say here users. This is it, close this. And now we will just return here. So return, I'll just say here backtick and $sign, I'll say here, I'll just say here count. This return count, this return count. And now we'll give a space, and we'll just use again $sign, and again we will say here this count text. This count text. This count text. So just close this. And now we have to provide this header also, we have to relay this header also. So just now header, save the file and copy this header also. Save the file guys first, and come here to this profile, card pick, I mean the component. I can say here also component, we can say guys component as well. And now inside the h1, we will say here like this, and just paste it here. So we have to first import it first like this, save the file, and now let me just give you classes also. Text center, save the file, have a look in the browser. So what is the issue here? So we have here guys issue, but I don't think there should be any issue at all. So I'll just say here header and return so save the file first. So where is the guys, where is the, come here, this header, this header, where it is guys, where it is header. Okay, this is the method guys. Okay, this is the method, you can see here, this is the method guys. Okay, this is the method. So I was forgetting to provide here this parenthesis. Now save the file and have a look in the browser now. So here is the 80 users. Okay, here is the 80 users. Okay, and let me just remove this, let me just put here only one user, let me just remove this. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, so now remove this, we have only one user, we have now only one user. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is only one user. Okay, only one user. Control Z, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the 80 users. Okay, so here is the 80 users. Okay, and here is the component, footer component, increment counter component, and this is the user profile component. So come to the counter component. I will just make this counter component inside the center only. So I'll just say here text center, let's just see if this will work or not. So save the file. So yeah, here it is, counter component. Okay, so increment the counter, decrement the counter. From any button we can decrement the counter. Okay, so we can increment from this footer component also, we can decrement from this footer component as well, and we can see here, we can see each and everything inside the nice and dynamic modal as well. So guys, this is all about React Context API guys. This is all about React Context API, and I hope guys you have learned something cool, something awesome, something dynamic in React Context API in this video, in this tutorial with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, if you feel you have learned something cool, something awesome, something dynamic from this video, from this tutorial of mine, okay, then please guys do subscribe now my this channel code with and please press the bell icon also, and please like this video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of development and full stack development also. So please guys like this video, subscribe now my this channel code with share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group also, and please press the bell icon also guys. Okay, so I hope you have subscribed now my this channel code with So we have come to the end of this video guys, end of this tutorial now. So thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my tutorial. Okay, so if you guys still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then guys you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to address it. I will definitely try to give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so please guys, if you still have any doubt, any query, you can just ask me in the comment section below. I'll give you the solution, I'll provide you the solution as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my tutorial. Okay, see you guys, and thank you guys. Okay, to all of the guys who has already subscribed now my this channel code with thank you guys, thanks a lot. Okay, to all the subscribers, to all the supporter of mine of this channel code with and thank you to also those guys who are not yet subscribed my this channel code with Okay, please guys subscribe now. You can see I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of development and full stack development also. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.